Morning, Marcus. Just a quick question. Have you got any tips for people looking to give their search ads accounts a bit of a spring clean?
Cheers for the question, Luke. Funny you should bring up spring cleaning, actually. I've just been told by Susanna that I need to do some work in our spare room, cleaning it up. So whilst I'm procrastinating on that, I thought I would send you a quick video answering your question. So spring cleaning, great thing to do this time of year in your Google Ads accounts. Seeing as they're all on lockdown, it's an even better excuse to knuckle down and tidy things up. So I'm going to try and rally through these as quickly as possible. So firstly, your ads. We talk about messaging all of the time anyway. Spring cleaning is a perfect time to do that because although you'll update messages and offers throughout the year, and I'm sure they're fine, it's good once a year just to have a proper look through, especially in your really large accounts. Just to properly check through and make sure that there's no old offers, outdated messaging. You don't want to be advertising Valentine's Day in March, April. So make sure you're going through. Little bonus thing on that as well, good thing to do, I think, is tidy up your ad labels. A lot of people ignore these, but I think this is a perfect time to clean up any unused labels, and also create a new set that will help you get a set of ads that you're using and understanding what's there. And also that will help you with updating them with new offers and also with ad testing, etc. Similar with audiences, check everything that you've got in place. It's a really good opportunity to just take note of what you've got running. When things are really busy, it's easy to be reactive and upload this one, upload that one as you need it. Now is a good time to take a step back and look at what audiences you've got in place and also what ones are missing. So you can say, like, right, I'm going to set up all of these audiences that cover all these different groups and pages of the website, different behavior groups, etc. And just make sure they're all there. The important thing with audiences is that you're not just, you're not always using them to bid more aggressively. I think, especially if you're using smart bidding, audiences are not necessarily going to make a huge difference to what you're doing, but you can add those audiences into all of your campaigns. I would get in as many in as you can, with a 0% bid modifier, just so you can understand how they're performing. That's going to help you firstly understand where you can maybe use any Google Ads, but it might also inform wider marketing activity. So for example, if you're using in-market audiences overlaid with a campaign and you can see that one is working particularly well, that might inform some Facebook targeting strategy or something like that. After that, duplicate keywords. So this is, again, is something that's probably looked at throughout the year, but a spring clean is a good one-off time to take a step back, look through your full keyword list, make sure that there's nothing in there that's firstly irrelevant, like it's all for products that you offer, services that you offer, etc. But also making sure that there's no duplicate keywords that have been added through SQRs or anything like that. Similarly, with exact match keywords changing, there are going to be more duplicates in your account now. You might have tidied them all up, but again, now is a good time to just take a big look and make sure that you don't have any duplicate keywords in your account. Add extensions. So I think that's another really good point to look at right now. These are all organized in your Google Ads shared library. This can get very large and messy over time. So what personally I like to do is remove any that are old, any that are unused, and make sure that you've got a set of ad extensions that you know you're happy with and you know that you want to use. And it really just sets you up for the year ahead with a nice organized account. And then last bonus tip, don't forget to do all of this on Bing as well. Cheers.